Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission (DREAM) kabadai ke program jo ke sorkar jela banyukun persya ya ke jingdi drok bat ke jingkai ha ke jela hne ke sngi kalai tarik uluber hajar arpusan kelapan long ya ke jingyalang ha pedeng kikmi kikpa jongki kena kibala ngop ha ke jingkerni bandi yau drok banyathir ya tai ha bai dei ke jinge ke bakimat bat ban ai ke jing slok ke jing kershan ke jing sngaulem bat kham tam e banya kren ya ke jing e ke ba kraw tam ke ba ki ya kendu ha ka imlang ka salang ha ke jing mat ya ke jing sha iben ya ke jing sha pejben ha ki wei pat namar ke jingop jing ki khun jung ki ha ne uja jing di pen bu ai ya ke ni ke jing lang la penlong ha ka tnat social welfare ka badon halo lashmia Habakran sekilat patai kebor nak liang Bak Francis Karshing bedai mission director ulaong bakani kedai kesinjam ke banengkong ba nak liang jong sorkar ka kwa ban ai ke jingkershan sya kitai ki longiing longsam ha kenu ka rukam kham tam e ha ka baye dei ke jing don kam ban pendu pendam ya ke jing sya pek ibeng ya kisamla ki bangop how drok ulapan pauru ke jing kemen ke bakrau holor ke jing don jong ki kenhun ki bala longkloi ban seng ya santeli ki jaka kata Kibala tiap kum ki rehabilitation center ni ki jaka ban ai jing sumar na ka benta kitu ki bangop ha ka jing kerni yau drok shu la ongro ban nagleng jok sorkar kan ai life hajar tengka sa kino ki samla ki bawan na ki longiing longsam ki badok ki ba hap hapo ulan ke jingduk ni ka BPL bakin lek phah sumar ha ki rehab center ki badon hanong ba silong mat ha ki wei de
om kalong ba habadan unu dekan penuh ka bahayeng ladai ka khone parane lokne kalok ki belangat hakani ke jingpang jingkerni ne ka addiction ala ladai ki drugs ladai ke alcohol ne kanu pang kata pang yang ta nungdi ani tau addict ka kata ya ka longiing drok away matrai baro pi so tu kata kumno ka kata ka longiing sem chupi no te bunta khandiap ngan kren hot skawei ru habe dei but ka stigma and discrimination mashkwa panang fi ba mental le ni ba hajaka papan duna kanang kiu kani ka stigma and discrimination ngala trai apus nem tam akane ka feel of addiction nadu por madana sanke ban menta po man ba ni menta ka ka jing kham chikai kalong ba ka jing bom don yin shu ki khna joni ka tak ni ang kin kren ka homelessness ba ni re ka kom ka stu khasi joni ni ki do be lagi jong nim ju e ne nim ju om ba nim be ki ne yin nai palle ko pre ni ba put ka e ka bang lap kalong ba don ki shnong ki thau ki dom ki ba berngani ki bahaya kasem lada tu kunjung ki usah me ya finin besnong no awal bun ki longiing shisha ki lami na kita ki dong jung ki lamit sa sekiwe pada ki dong kalau kunju hang tahu tiki bapli ya kaban shitong ya kiwe pada ki ta ki ba sa hayeng ki kun ki ni ki pa ya kin shitong na kun besok baca pe untuk tikin mansin dekin on kun to kun mai sa shu hayin se perkhat lem ndei ba kin dak jing snow ndei da kata ka jing ba mansin da ka mansin ka bakhia.
This is the first of its kind meeting. Actually, I've come to after taking over this task, I've come to realize that family plays a very important role in the rehabilitation of any youth. Another issue is the stigma which families carry. Then there's another issue which, the codependency, which Dr. Rika has just highlighted. One main issue is, our families are afflicted by this problem. It is not only the person who's afflicted by this issue, but it is the entire family which is affected, which is due to this reason that we requested the families to come and where we can discuss and provide support, but especially from the government side, how we can support them, how we can advise them. So today we have called a few counselors, and they have given their talks and points on how family particularly to strengthen families to face this issue that has fallen in their families.
Is the dream mission coming up with any detox center in the state before sending them for de-addiction?
Currently, we have 10 de-addiction rehabilitation centers, and I'm glad to inform you that we have been able to, reach out to people. Where another 5 parties, concerned people are interested in setting up 5 more rehabilitation centers, and I will take it up seriously with the government that we provide as much support as we can to these rehabs.
And how much support are you giving these kind of rehab?
We are giving most of the treatment is free, and children, patients who come from BPL families are provided 32,000 rupees free treatment costs.
At present, do you have any figures or any data how many persons are going under this rehabilitation, or how many addicted persons we have in the state?
Addicted, I don't have that readily here. At the moment, we have around almost 300 of our patients in the rehabilitation centers, but there are many more. And shortly, we have had a discussion very recently with the UNODC, and they will be funding a major survey which we will be conducting for collection of all these data.
So talking about detox center, who will identify the center? Will the DREAM project or the DHS?
This is in discussion with the health department. The DREAM is actually a focal point where all other departments are converged. So there are issues with the police, there are issues with the health. So the DREAM, the job of the DREAM is to converge all these departments together.
Do we have experts in the state who can look after the patients?
We have a few, and we are also from the health department. We are sending doctors and nurses for training in Tezpur, and they are in the process of going for the training. Within 1 or 2 months, they will be ready, and they will be ready to serve the state.
And how much the addicts have to spend on average consumption of heroin? What kind of heroin is reaching the state? High quality?
As far as from what I learned from a few, the costing comes from around 2,000 to 2,500 per day. It is a huge amount, so it is a very disturbing fact to learn.
Are you planning to create more awareness by taking people into confidence, like colleges and synñiang?
Yeah, we are soon having a meeting with the college principals and school principals, and including we will be having a meeting with the synñiang. We'll start with Shillong. All the synñiang, I've got most of their contact numbers, and we will be sending out invitation. If not by this week, by next week, we'll be having a meeting of all the synñiang to discuss how to tackle this issue.
Talking about stigmatization, what would be your message?
This is, unless we resolve the issue of stigmatization, this problem will persist. We have to be able to come out and understand. The entire community should understand that this is a sickness. It's not a crime. It is a sickness, and people should appreciate the fact that people are suffering, and people should come out and support. Thank you.
Thank you.